Say hi. Hi, Nanay Dayang. Hi, Tatay Buddy. Yes, you say hi, Mama Ami. Kuya Ivan, Kuya Kenneth. Oo, say hi. Hi to Philippines na. Hi to everybody. You say hi. Hi to Kuya Biner. Oh, not Tito Biner. Tito Rani. Tita Judith. Yes, say hi to everybody. You say hi. I still don't want to sleep. Yes. You don't want to sleep, right? Okay. You say hi. I love you all. Oh, what do you... Yes, what do you... Yes. What do you want to tell them? You say hi. I love you all. Yes. Okay. Oh, what do you have to say? Oh, 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 oh. Uuwi tayong Pilipinas. Oo. So, wait for me. Tell them, wait for me. Can you smile? Can you please smile to mommy? Smile. Yeah. Oh, ano gusto mo sabihin? Oo. You say hi. Yes. Sabihin mo, madaldal na po ako. Opo, gusto ko po laging may kausap. Mm-mm. Oo. Gusto ko lagi pong daldal ng daldal. Oh, oo. Oh, ano pa gusto mo sabihin? Gusto mo pa magdaldal ng magdaldal, ha? Oh. Sabi mo, I love you, mommy. I love you, daddy. Oo. You love Jesus also, right? You say, I love you, Jesus. Thank you for making me healthy. Oh. Okay. And say, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. What else you want to tell them? Oh. Very good. Say bye-bye. I see you then. You want to daldal, ah? You say, I'm big now. Yes, I'm going to 3 months already. Okay, bye-bye. I love you all. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you all. Okay. Okay, no? Bye-bye. Love you all.